Really make sure that you fully transfer your weight from side to side, getting the same depth with each lunge. Now moving on, we're going to do some squat knee lifts. So we've upped the pace a little bit here. You might find these quite quick, so feel free to do half the number of them at a slower pace if you need to. Now we're doing just a pas de bourrée just to get that dance vibe really going. Now we're going back to some more transfer lunges. Although this move doesn't seem like it's for the abs, you really want to make sure that you're still holding them in so that you're going to continue to work them even if you're not doing a move specific.